And now we are going to take a look at the POS device global settings within the FasTrax Control Center. To navigate there, we will click Point of Sale, Maintenance, and then Settings and Panels. Within the Settings and Panels module, we have two tabs, the Settings tab and POS Panels tab. Today we're going to look at the Settings tab, and more specifically, the POS tab within that. When we click on POS, we see several tabs fill out below. We have the Administration settings, Product in General, Inventory, Reconciliation settings, Lottery Recon settings, Accounting, POS device global settings, Redemption settings, Smart Till settings, and then Worksheet settings. For today, we are going to look at the POS device global settings. Within the POS device global settings, this is where you configure how your register functions specifically at the store level. We can see that this opens up into 7 other tabs. First one being Register settings. This is where we find the settings that control how the register functions. The Receipt settings. This is where we control how the receipt functions on the register, as well as where we fill out information on the receipt. Credit card settings. This is how we control what the register does with credit cards. Loyalty settings. This is how we are able to control how the register handles specific loyalty transactions. Next is Recon settings. This is where you control how the reconciliation function on the register performs during a reconciliation. Next is Other settings. This tab contains miscellaneous settings for the register at the store level. Next is Control Center settings. Within this tab, there are 2 settings. First one being uplifts. This is how we enable uplifts on your register. Uplifts are a way to upsell items within the Control Center and on the register. If you have images to associate with the uplift, you can enable that here with this setting. And this has been a brief overview of the POS device global settings within the FasTrax Control Center. If you would like a more detailed explanation for each individual setting, please stay tuned for our next video with Zach, where he will cover in depth all of those settings.